Hello everyone, today we'll be talking about components and props in React. So before now, I have pre-deleted the CSS and tags that comes by default with React and Vite. So right now I am adding or importing the components to the header tag which we'll be using for this video. I'm comfortable using this because it helps me preview what I want to do or how the design look before even going deep into the creation, so that by the end of the day we don't come out with a bad result. So we are writing the path to the component that we'll be creating, which is the header component. So now we are creating the component folder. In it we'll also be putting our header folder. Then inside the header folder that's where we're putting our header components or header.txt file. Now we are creating the function. This function that has been called in the app.txt file. So we'll also export it, so that because of JavaScript import and export rules, so we have to export the function so that it can be used in the app.txt file. Now we are predefining our header tag in our app.txt file, or we are pre-applying our header tag in the app.txt file. So now let's write our component in our header tag. So right here I'm using the Emmet style of writing here in VS Code, which helps to create components easier and faster, though it makes you feel like a pro though. Stay tuned, I'll be doing a video on Emmet very shortly. There's just like a 2 minutes or 3 minutes video explaining the different arrangement and usage of Emmet in VS Code. So here I'm creating a div with the class of title and image, and I'm creating a div and image, the name, that's the h1 tag, and a navigation component or to the which will contain the about, help and home page. I just imported my image, called in my image, giving it the text for like a company name or like a brand name per se. So my home, about and help link has just been added. So yeah, I think we are almost good to go. I'm putting it in a bold. I'm trying to bold in it, okay, make it more bold for presentation wise. So I'm creating the style. Yes, style. Right now it looks a bit ugly, so let's give it some style, some CSS style. So I'm creating the header.css file. Now importing it in my header.txt file. So, since the video is not about styling, so I just copied and pasted some pre-tested CSS code to make this video as short as possible. Yeah, it's coming live, coming out well. I think there's a mistake somewhere, so let's correct it. The div was underneath it, so the style didn't come out well. Let's arrange it properly. Yeah, I think I like how it looks now. Now this part of the video is the props part. So props are in short, props are just properties of function. So now in TypeScript we predefine the properties in a dictionary or an object, sorry. So the property that I'll be using in this will just one property, that's the one props, which is going to be like the company name or brand name. So I'll be importing it. So the beauty or the downside of TypeScript, it requires a variable declaration type. So for each variable you'll be creating, you'll be giving it the data type for it. So the company name is a string, so when we are importing it, we import it into our function as a variable type of header props. So now in my header tag in the app.txt, I will call in the variable, that's company name, and then give it a value. It didn't reflect because I didn't put it in a column braces, which I will correct. So now yeah, that's it. So for everything, I think this is okay. I think it explains everything about components and props in React. So stay tuned for more. So yeah, I really appreciate it if you leave a comment on the type of videos you'll be wanting to see in the nearest future. So but stay tuned. I'll be doing a video shortly on editing HTML with VS Code. Thank you, everyone.